How to effectively and immediately lessen vehicle insurance installments. Public familiarity with the significance of vehicle insurance isn't saved from tension about the higher payment costs. This time, FinancialCo will furnish perusers with data on multiple ways you can decrease the cost of vehicle protection premiums. My financial rubric. Simple and fast way to lower premium prices. Free mutual fund investment guide ebook download for beginners. Number 1. Ask the premium price before buying a car. Number 2. Use only one insurance company. Number 3. Adjust insurance needs. Number 4. Drive well. Number 5. Adding security devices. Number 6. Ask for a rebate. Number 7. Looking for another insurance agency. Number 8. Have a good credit score. Try not to just focus on cheap premiums. Vehicle protection. Like insurance by and large, to get vehicle protection, there is a month-to-month, or yearly, expense called a payment. This premium is the expense you need to pay to get assurance for your vehicle. By finishing the obligation of paying expenses, you can make a case when the gamble happens to your vehicle. The premium to be paid varies starting with one organization then on to the next. Also, the premium is acclimated to the vehicle insurance you need. For people who have poor monetary preparation, paying charges can be very difficult financially. Easy and fast way to lower premium prices, so your vehicle can be safeguarded without troubling your funds. There are multiple ways you can do to lessen the top-notch cost. Here are some of them. 1. Ask the premium price before buying a car, so you don't pay insurance charges that are excessively costly. You can ask the assessed yearly installment value that you should pay if you have any desire to purchase the vehicle protection. Normally, the insurance payment will rely upon the sort, year of consumption and the model of your vehicle. The more uncommon or more costly your vehicle parts are, the higher the expense for fixes. To cover the misfortune, the insurance agency will then, at that point, charge you a high premium. In a few cases, in the event that you purchase a vehicle with great traveler security, the insurance agency will give you a markdown on the expense. Such security frameworks are, for instance, airbags or programmed safety belts. For that, counsel the expense of insurance payments before you purchase a vehicle to get the most minimal conceivable premium. 2. Use only one insurance company. The protection items you use might fluctuate, going from healthcare coverage, life coverage to vehicle protection. Truth be told, you can save money on vehicle insurance installments by utilizing a few protection items from only one insurance agency. Particularly in the ongoing period, One insurance agency as of now has numerous different items to address client issues. You can ask the protection item you need at the vehicle insurance agency that you are utilizing. Get some information about the rewards and advantages you get in the event that you utilize a few different protection items from them. Are there premium limits or waivers? Or on the other hand, is there an okay assurance reward? In the event that the vehicle insurance agency doesn't give the protection item you need, you can search for another organization that gives vehicle protection items as well as extra protection. Along these lines, as well as saving money on vehicle insurance payments, you can likewise save money on other protection installments. Number 3. Adjust insurance needs. You needn't bother with all the security presented by a protection item. After you purchase a protection item for 1 or 2 years, most likely you definitely know which assurance is more required and which isn't. Right now, you can survey a portion of the protection helps that you needn't bother with. This thought should be visible from whether you have utilized it or whether these advantages make your charges more costly. Disposing of this advantage can bring down your charges. For instance, in the event that you live in a high-security area, you can lessen your vehicle's insurance against crime. 4. Drive well. Lessening risk by being more cautious can likewise decrease how much premium that should be paid. One of them is the way you drive a vehicle. Being cautious while driving will decrease your possibilities making a protection guarantee. The less frequently you make a case, the higher the opportunity that your superior will diminish. There are a few arrangements of the insurance agency which, in the event that in something like 3 years, you don't make a case, your superior will be reduced. In expansion to being cautious, the recurrence you drive can likewise make your insurance payments lower. You can illuminate your protection specialist about the recurrence of driving. It's conceivable that the insurance agency can diminish the case cost assuming that you have a spotless record. Number 5. Adding security devices. The more secure you prepare your vehicle, the less gamble there is to your vehicle. With markdown risk, this can be utilized as the reason for lessening the cost of month-to-month expenses to be paid. Some security gear that you can use, for instance, alerts, guiding locks or vehicle CCTV cameras. Assisting with decreasing gamble implies assisting with lessening premiums. 6. Ask for a rebate. Try not to be modest to inquire as to whether there is a method for cutting the exceptional, for instance by paying one single amount every year, or by paying money. Notwithstanding the accessibility of limits, you ought to likewise ask how much reserve funds can be made to gauge the benefit and misfortune. You can straightforwardly contact the protection specialist or contact the call place straightforwardly. Point 7. Looking for another insurance agency. Nothing bad can really